Good morning. I'm Tony Castrilli, Director of Public Affairs for Fairfax County, and I'm here with Deputy County Executive Dave Rohrer. Dave, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Just a short time ago, Fairfax County opened the brand new Public Safety Headquarters building. Dave, it was an exciting morning. This is a real sense of civic pride for the community and an exciting day for Fairfax County. Why is this building so important to our community?
Well, this is a great building to house two great departments, the Fire and Rescue Department and the Police Department. Certainly, as many know, the old headquarters, the Massey building, had reached the end of its useful life. We really had to have a new headquarters and one that well positions us for growth in the county, as well as just having us centrally located in the county. But this is really a great facility for two great departments to collaborate and work together and better protect and serve our very safe community.
Thanks, Dave. And we're located right here at the center of government. There's three other buildings where most of government operations happen. Why is it so important to be close to the rest of government operations for public safety?
Well, as you know, no agency can do anything by themselves anymore. So when I started many years ago, agencies were more stovepiped, had a very specific mission. But now we do a lot of collaboration. We're better when we collaborate. So we have so many cross-discipline, cross-profession initiatives going on, a few were mentioned this morning, whether it's mental health, diversion first, combating domestic violence. We do so many things together between police and fire, along with human services, park authority, building services, so many things that are collaborative and partnering. The fact that we're now here co-located on this great campus will facilitate the great work going forward.
When you get a chance to build a new building, you get a chance to do it right. This building has some amazing features. It's very environmentally friendly. Can you give us a few headlines on some of the most important features of this building?
Well, it's really very exciting. So first and foremost, we wanted a functional facility to house our great people. But certainly we wanted to build it right. And the county has been a leader in many ways in environmentally friendly building. So this is on track to be, I understand, as a silver LEED certification, possibly gold. Certainly as you look around and people have a chance to come visit, we have a lot of open glass areas, so it's natural light as well as the regular lighting. It's the first county building to be all LED lighting. Certainly the green roofs, the hillsides around are vegetated, the swales, permeable pavements. One thing after another, this is truly just a low-flow plumbing. The list goes on and on as far as environmentally friendly. But again, a very functional building. And I hope we have a chance. I want to call out the display areas, too, for the public to come in and see that kind of celebrate two great departments.
Dave, thank you. Public safety is moving into the building, really starting next week. Many people in the county are familiar with the Massey building. It's been there forever, it seems. What's going to be happening with that building?
Well, the Massey building will be coming down over time. So it'll be about 2 months for the entire move-in process to take place. It's already started, actually, a few weeks ago. So fire and rescue and police are moving in here by sections. It's been a well-planned move. So far, they've gone very well. It'll take until about mid-December to get everybody out of the Massey building. And then beginning next year, they'll begin to go into the building, take out some of the old standing furniture, get it ready for demolition. Demolition will take about 8 months, probably starting mid of 2018 or fall of 2018 and go into 2019. They're going to have to tear that building down pretty much piece by piece to mitigate the asbestos. So there won't be any blowing it up. Everybody always asks about, can I get in line and hit the plunger? But no, we're going to have to do it safely and mitigate the asbestos and take that down. And then over time, that area will be looked at by a number of organizations, the community and the county. I believe George Mason University is also a partner in that, to see what the best uses for that property will be going forward.
Okay. Dave, I really appreciate your time. From the brand new Fairfax County Public Safety Headquarters, I'm Tony Castrilli, and we'll see you next time.